Hey guys, so to be able to fix the Parsec 6023 code, if it's on error, then you should head on to the task manager on your bottom left or right with whatever it is. Right click on it, then tap or select task manager. Then after that, you should search the Parsec application, which is right here. After you have searched it, then you should press right click, then end task. If you have end the task, and you should be able to restart your Parsec, then close the Parsec app as well, then refresh your website. Home screen, and then after that run it again. If you have the chance to restart it, then it's good to go. But if you're still having trouble with shooting or publishing it, then you should be able to download a VPN to be able to control it again.